I'm here in Johor in Malaysia, where I'm going to be talking about how AI is going to help the world become more sustainable. There's a challenge here, which is that AI itself is creating sustainability issues by its own nature. 4% of the world's energy is digital at the moment, and AI could double that by 2030. ChatGPT, to write a bunch of emails, can burn up as much energy as charging my iPhone. That means extraordinary amounts of energy are going to be used in future. And it's not just energy, it's water as well. 10 or 15 emails is a litre of water. That may not sound much, but you're talking about vast quantities on a global scale by 2040. So that's an uphill battle to climb for AI. Now, AI can do all kinds of things to help us. Monitoring the use of land by satellites, helping with education for all by using new tools. Healthcare will be revolutionized using AI. It's already the case that on several days each month, energy prices go negative in Germany. That's to say there's so much solar, so much wind, and so much other sources of energy that the grid can't get rid of it, which means that people are being paid to use power. That's a really strange situation to have. And it's going to get worse unless we use AI to help sort out some of this with smarter grids, put it all together. And it's a gigantic effort that's required to make our world more sustainable. But AI has this multidimensional ability. There's another downside apart from the issues of AI burning up energy itself and using vast amounts of water. And that is the use of AI to destroy ESG goals. That's to say, to commit antisocial acts, to use AI for bad things. Who would do that? Well, criminal gangs, rogue states, and others are already hijacking AI, turning AI as a force for evil. And we are already seeing hundreds of millions of ransomware attacks a year, each of them slightly different. This is without AI. AI is going to make this a far more potent area of wealth destruction, environmental destruction, and just about everything else. Hospitals are being attacked, schools are being attacked, power stations and smart grids are being attacked. The very basis of our society is being attacked by AI. And AI will make this impossible to deal with without using AI in defense. So you're going to see our world investing in AI to protect ourselves from AI. Okay, put that aside, and you've still got a vast opportunity for good. Absolutely extraordinary, unthinkable, unimaginable benefits of tracking, monitoring, improving efficiency, saving time, and generally creating a better world.